Hey everybody, this is Eric with Adventure Experience, standing on top of the Continental Divide with you, and we are talking about thrill seeker mentality. Talking specifically about, is there a thrill seeker mentality, and if so, where do you fall on that spectrum? Well, okay, wherever you fall on that spectrum, again, we talked about, there's people who want to go base jumping, there's people who want to go whitewater rafting, there's people who just want to drive a little faster, and just kind of feel the thrill of that. There's a lot of different places, a lot of different ways that thrill seeking expresses itself, that high experience minded people express themselves. But one of the keys is, wherever you are on that spectrum, feel comfortable where you are on that spectrum and don't let others push you around. If your friend is base jumping and he's poo-pooing you because you do scary roller coasters, no, that doesn't work. So the question today is, should we do things that scare the pants off us? Okay. Couple of different directions you can go with that. One of it is, and you've heard me say before, yes, let's push our boundaries, right? But let's push our boundaries, not other people's boundaries, right? If the roller coaster is scary for you and you do it, congratulations, I'm proud of you. Yes, right? You do not have to go base jumping and things that make you want to vomit with anxiety. No. That is somebody else's line. Let them go up to their line and go one step further. That's pushing your boundaries. But whatever your boundaries are, feel comfortable with those boundaries. Respect those boundaries, and ask all of us yahoos doing our crazy stuff, ask us to also respect your boundaries, okay? We should not be telling you that you're lame because you enjoy spicy foods and not going base jumping. You do your thing, I'll do mine, okay? We hear that a lot, and I know it's very relativistic, and I'm not a big fan of relativism in a lot of areas, but in this case, yes, you know where your boundaries are. You know what scares you. Go to the edge of that boundary. Push it just a little bit, right? You're gonna love life a little bit more. Whatever it is, we're doing these scary things because they make us feel alive, and isn't that fun? Isn't that the whole point? Feel alive. And I'm Eric with Adventure Experience. Adventure is my brand. You keep going out there doing your thing. Stay safe, stay well, and adventure on.